Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Groupon how to use. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to use Groupon, what you need to do first is simply download the Groupon app or visit the website. So simply head over to your App Store or your Play Store if you are using the Android, and on the search bar type in Groupon. Then look for an app icon like this on your search list and then simply tap on it. Now if you are using an Android, simply tap on install, and if you are using iPhone, simply tap on the get button right here and follow the on-screen prompts to successfully download the app. Then once the app has been downloaded, simply tap on open, and there what you need to do is sign into your account. So tap on my stuff right here, and on the top you will find an option that says sign in. Simply tap on that and log into your account, or if you don't have an account, simply create one. The next is to simply browse through the available deals that is given to you like this, for example photo affections versus nice holdings. And now go to the deals and then simply tap on buy on the bottom right corner of the screen once you have selected your deal. Once that's done, what you need to do is you will be sent to the checkout or your cart. Now you can simply select quantity as well by tapping on the quantity option, and then if you want two of these, simply tap on plus, or if you don't want this, simply tap on minus right here. And once done, all you gotta do is just simply tap on buy with Apple Pay if you have the payment method, or simply scroll down and here you can select the payment method as well from the credit card or debit card or cash app. Then you can also use redeem codes as well. Then once done, what you need to do is access your coupons. To do it, simply head over back to the home screen and then tap on my stuff on the bottom right, then select my coupons, and here open the deal you bought by simply tapping on it, and you'll see the voucher or redemption instructions. Now in order to redeem it, if you are in store or saw this deal, simply visit the business, then show your coupon voucher on your phone and start redeem it. Then if you are redeeming it online, simply click on the redeem link that is shown to you, then enter the code at the checkout on merchant's website. Then if you are purchasing the product deals, simply enter your shipping address and Groupon ships the item to you. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.